Welcome to English Practice Stories. Hi, my dear friends, how are you? Pressing like and subscribe is a big help for me. Let's start the story. I have been married for 15.5 years. I have been fighting major depression for 35 years now, with chronic fatigue for at least 10 years, and am classified as having a crushed L3 vertebra. I have worked for 14 years of our marriage. We agreed on traditional roles. I financially provide, and she is the Psalm. I have never cheated, yelled at her, hit her, or forced her to do anything. We agreed to have each of our kids, 5 of them. But it was very clear to me that she wanted things done in a certain way in our marriage and home. I never did the chores around our home. I would come home, spend time with her and our children, play video games in the main room with them around, engage in play with the kids, or watch a show while holding a baby. I regularly held our babies till 2 a.m. since they wouldn't sleep, and I couldn't either till 2, and I would get up at 5:45, go to work, and repeat. This went on for 10 years of our marriage with no real complaints from her on this aspect. There were other complaints, and I did change slowly on those issues. Most of the complaints changed to the usual husband helping around the house. We made chore charts. I did my best to keep my list done, but she wanted me to look around and help more. I did, but it was never what she needed. If the cupboards were dirty, I cleaned them, the walls, that kind of thing. I didn't do other people's chores. My sleep is still horrible. I can't sleep till about 2 a.m. I wake up with just enough time to get up and go to work. We had a major fight a few months ago, and now he blames me for being a shitty partner for 15 years and places the blame squarely on my feet. I have done my best, but I failed her. I want couples counseling. She wants to do individual therapy first, as she thinks doing the other will end our marriage. Every session for me brings up issues that are going on right now, but I can't talk to her about them as it always leads to a fight and resentment towards me. I see no path forward that doesn't end in my death or divorce. I am eager to hear your perspective and learn from your input, so please do write your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you all for listening to my story. I wish for happiness in your family. Pressing like and subscribe is a big help for me. Bye for now. If you like our story, subscribe English Practice Stories channel and click the bell icon.